Hello everyone, this is Ty from Oasis Auto. Today I want to show you our custom fit seat cover for a 2015 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. First, we'll give you an after install look, followed by that will be a complete installation video. Let's first start to take a look at the front seat. This is what it looks like. The headrest is fully covered, so is your backrest, bottom cushion, and this is what it looks like in the front. All the strap loosening over here is because we did not tighten it. This is just for demonstration purpose. And now let's move to the second row. On the second row, everything is fully covered, just like the front row. And this is what it looks at the bottom over here. So is the rear of your front seat is also fully covered. This is what it looks like on the third row once you install it. The only difference is that on the third row, if you install our seat cover, you cannot use the middle headrest. But on the one on the side is no problem. The middle one is fully covered with our leather seat cover. First, let's take a look at the front seat cover first. The front seat cover is broken into three pieces: headrest, backrest, bottom cushion. Headrest is self-explanatory. First thing you want to do is remove the headrest. Then you can tuck this piece right on there. Once you tuck on there, you want to push these three pieces through right in between your backrest and your bottom cushion. Once you tuck on the bottom cushion on the seat, you want to push these three pieces through right in between the backrest and the bottom cushion. Right now, there is something blocking you. Let me first show you how do you remove that piece. First thing you want to do is you want to remove this. I already removed it, but let me show you what it looks like on the back. Basically, this thing was holding on there with the elastic band. What you want to do is when you want to reach in, there's plenty of space over there. You want to push the elastic band to the front and release the hook and take it out. Once you do that, there is a gap right in between your backrest and your bottom cushion. Now we have already tucked in your backrest, and then this is what it looks like after you remove this piece. What you want to do is you want to tuck this piece right in between your seat and the cover itself. So it would be right over here like this. And then this way you have the space to connect everything. Remove the white cloth and then connect the Velcro. On the bottom cushion, you have two white string. You want to push it through right over there and connect at the bottom of the seat. And also you have three clips on the back. These three clips will be connected with the three strap in the front. You want to go underneath the car and then connect on the back. So push these through and connect these three straps underneath the car. This way you can fasten your bottom cushion. And you see this elastic band. This elastic band, you could not do anything with it at all, or you can attach one of the metal hooks that we're gonna supply over here to each of these elastic band, and then hook it underneath the seat to secure your bottom cushion. Once you secure your bottom cushion, one more thing you want to do is you want to tuck the edge of the bottom cushion right in between the plastic of the seat and your bottom cushion itself. This way it will create a factory look. You can do it little by little. We're gonna provide you with a tool. It's like an orange plastic, so you can poke it through. This way it won't be too hard on your finger. Basically, you want to push all these things right underneath here, so it will look like this for the whole side. The second row is pretty much the same like the front row. The only difference is that on the 60 split side, you want to open the zipper before you do that, because you want to pull this seatbelt out so it do not block the seatbelt itself. And then you want to tuck this whole thing back on there. Once you finish that, at the bottom you will have these big pieces. You want to do the same thing. You want to push it through and then connect with the Velcro on the back once you pushed everything through. For your bottom cushion, like the front, all these elastic band, you want to apply one of the metal hooks that I just showed you to each one of these elastic band and hook it underneath. The metal hook will be included in the package. It's a small metal hook. You just apply to each one of these elastic band all around, and then you can find a spot underneath the seat to hook it onto to secure your bottom cushion. If your Highlander second row is a 50-50 captain split, the installation is pretty much just like the front. Make sure that you grab the correct side. The opening over there is for the side that's close to the door. So if you have an opening on your left hand side it's for the left-hand side car. If you have an opening on the right-hand side, then it's for the right side seat. Also, we do not have a cover for the armrest, just so you know. On the one for the captain seat, once you tuck on the cover on this side where the armrest is, you basically have to kind of go around the armrest and tuck it inside. Same thing for the bottom part. Basically, you have to like go around and come back here and reconnect over here. So it gives space for this armrest. For the bottom cover, just make sure that there is gonna be a circle on the edge close to the door. Make sure that you have this go through and then pull them out, go around it, it comes out, and once it comes out, it's supposed to look like this, so it's fully covered. You will also notice there will be some elastic band. These elastic band can be tight underneath the seat. We also supply some small metal hooks you can hook on one side on this elastic band, and another side, whichever spot you find underneath the seat. For the third row seat, everything is exactly the same, just like the second row. Only difference is that on the backrest, instead of having a Velcro going through, it's attached to one of these elastic clips. This is how it's supposed to be. Basically, you have to put it through. This is how it's supposed to be. What you want to do is you want to push this elastic, put this elastic clip right in between your backrest and bottom cushion. Once you push it through, you want to turn it vertically so you hold on the back of the backrest, so it will secure your covers on the back.